As you can see, right now I am converting videos, so you guys can get a little bit of behind the scenes stuff. This is kind of like the first step after taking it off the camera. And I'm kind of doing that just to kind of show you something new that I got. I actually braved Black Friday. I wasn't originally going to get this, but I figured, hey, it's better than an iPod. I can use it. It's a little more practical. It's a new Nextbook 8. It's really good. I've been messing around with it all day. Of course, you can tell because the battery's almost dead. Basically, it's like a mini laptop. See, it's got full Windows 8.1 tablet version. And I'm going to show you something on here on the 107.7 WGNA Facebook page. As you can see here, this is a Canadian Pacific train. And it's decorated all up for the holidays. Now, according to this link, go to the WGNA site, it says that it will be at the Cobleskill Fire Department at 3:45, then Dalson Main Street at 5:15, 6:45 it'll be in Schenectady at the floor covering, and then it will go to the Amtrak station at Saratoga, and then tomorrow it'll be in Fort Edward, and then the final stop is Pell's Crossing, and they're gonna try and be in Ticonderoga by 3:15, but we're gonna go check that out. And by the way, food donations, all of them are going to go to the regional food bank where I've been volunteering, and I have volunteer hours tomorrow and Sunday, so I'm probably gonna be sorting a lot of it. Alright, let's go. So, we just arrived, and there is the police from Saratoga, Victoria. I guess we're the last one in, so I know they're going to direct traffic. Just look at that line, though. There he goes.
Rather than trying to park in here.
Probably. I don't know what he's doing here, though. Crowd control?
Yeah. No place to park.
Well, he's gonna get a head on here in just a minute if he doesn't move.
He's got lights.
I don't know. Oh, yeah, true. He's trying to bypass the line. Alright, well, there's a train there now. Some inside, but it's just the North Creek Trail. Parking lot's completely full. There's a whole bunch of people coming in behind us. There's the station itself. It's covered as well in lights out there on the front. So there from the left corner all the way up to the front, there's a wreath that you can't see. And then, as we move past this pickup truck and this Audi SUV, you can see that there the lights kind of stretch all the way down until, I guess, about that red light.
I think the North Creek is the one that does the Polar Express.
And there's a buried car right there. Actually, it's the same type of car, just a different color one than my sister's old one.
We're having everyone back in at an angle. This way, when it comes time to go, you can just
Pull out? Okay.
Thank you.
Sweet. That's gonna be tough.
Your father can do
I know, I can do it too. It's just.
I might have an issue, but your father is good.
Well, I can do it too.
That's why it's taking time, because people are backing
Yeah.
in.
Do a J-turn.
Alright, so as you can see, they have lights all over the side of the guardrail. Make it festive. And up a little further, they have a little wreaths and garland around the wooden poles. Make it even more festive as well. And I've made the mistake of wearing just a regular flannel thing and not a big jacket. And of course we have to park down at the end because we have an SUV. So I'm gonna be freezing all night most likely, unless the inside's heated if we're going inside. But who cares? It's my own stupidity, my fault. So it's pretty icy out here now. I'm actually sliding so I don't go head over heels, so to speak. I mentioned earlier that they were taking donations for the food bank. Most likely the regional one, where I'm doing volunteer hours on Saturday and Sunday, as well as another 2 sessions. I didn't get in trouble. It's something they require for my school so I can graduate. But, I mean, it's actually not that bad. I'll probably end up doing it a little bit afterwards. But, I was gonna grab something, but thankfully I forgot to. I was in a hurry to get out. I couldn't even find my jacket, which I most likely left in my car. As you can see, though, my aunt come through with 3 or 4 bags of stuff from Price Chopper, which I was earlier today. So I probably could have gotten something while I was there. But either way, she comes in to help again. So big props to her and all this stuff. Because, I mean, bringing this much, wow, I mean, I can feel there's some pretty heavy boxes in here. And this one here probably has some canned fruits and everything. You can actually see some, I believe that's corn or something like that. Fruit cocktail. Fruit cocktail is what it is. It's upside down label from the way of the camera. But yeah. Okay. How we doing, guys? Here we go. Got quite a bunch here for you.
Thanks for you.
Yes.
There you
There
go.
you go.
Got it.
Donate 3, and I got 2 more. 4.
Awesome. Thank you so
And
much.
5. Where do these go, by the way?
We have a food pantry in both spots.
Oh, you go. Oh, it goes to Saratoga. Oh, I thought I'd be seeing this on Saturday because I'm doing volunteering with the regional food pantry.
We get food
Oh.
for the regional food.
I know.
Okay, that's good. So he'll be serving.
So I'll probably be doing it. I'm doing volunteer Saturday and Sunday.
Wonderful. Thank you.
You guys have a good holiday. Thank you. All right. So now we know where all this stuff is going, and my arms are killing me. But it all stays local. That's good. So we're out on the edge of the tracks, which are covered in snow. The decorations up behind us, and some right there. And they are indeed playing Christmas music like I thought. Now that light down there,
I wanted to get to my phone so I ran for it.
train, that's actually the generator. Now the train light is going to be that bright. It's probably going to come through here. It has like one of those bells that they ding as they move. But yeah, they're going to come right through here. It's going to be another 5 or 10 minutes from now. This train's going to be coming through here. And there's a lot of people down here. It's hard to see from the camera angle, but there's a lot. It stretches all the way down as far as the eye can see here. And there's even more down here on this side. So pretty soon we're going to be seeing the sights of this beautiful train. Holy crud. That looks amazing. All the lights, multicolored. It's coming along on that far track, so we don't have to be on the thing. This thing looks amazing. It's got a wreath on the front. We got deer. I think I missed the train horn though. Let's see, you got all Santa's reindeer there, Rudolph in the front as usual.
Who's that reindeer?
Zoom it out here. 1, 2, 3 deer. So there's a couple not in line. A couple more there. I really like how they changed like the light color changes. I'm surprised they don't have any yellow or gold in there as part of the outline either. There's some back here. There's an elf rocking around the Christmas tree. Oh, it stopped. So this train car right here with the marquee on the top of it is supposed to have a band inside it come out on the they're supposed to open up. So within any moment now the band's gonna come out and they're gonna start singing and wishing everybody a Merry Christmas and everything.
Misunderstood. You know my broken window with that big small back, but my parents they already found me for that. Come on, Saint Nick, you know I done better. Saint Nick, not even a sweater. Saint Nick, well, you're the real upsetter. Saint Nick, I sent you 10 letters. I can't believe you ever do me like this. Come on now, Santa, take me off of that list. Yeah. Come, they told me, pa-ra-pa-pa-pa, a newborn king to see, pa-ra-pa-pa-pa. Our finest gifts we bring, pa-ra-pa-pa-pa, to lay before the king, pa-ra-pa-pa-pa, ra-pa-pa-pa, ra-pa-pa-pa. So to honor